Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the pop-up view on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you want to watch something on pop-up, say for example YouTube or maybe Spotify, then let me show you how you can do this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see advanced features. From here, find multi-window, and now from here, find swipe for pop-up view. Tap on this, and now from here go ahead and turn this feature on. Down below here it'll tell you how to do it, so you need to swipe from the top corner towards the middle of the screen to change the pop-up view. Now you can go ahead and also change the top corner area, so you can make it large or you can just make it small. So we'll leave it in the center and we'll go ahead and try it out. We'll open up YouTube, and now we'll go ahead and bring this down to a pop-up view. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on pop-up view on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.